Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be breaking down Tesla once again. We're going to talk about what happened today, where I think it's going, and what's next for Tesla. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I really do appreciate all of the support. So let's get right into the video and break down Tesla. So this morning, we pushed up and hit highs of around 648, and since then, we've been selling off. So we hit lows of 624, and now we're currently at 631. Now, I discussed in my previous video that we were bullish if we got above this resistance, and now we need to hold this resistance level. If we want to continue this bullish momentum, we need to hold this resistance level at 628.27. So we need to hold this level, and I'm saying that because previously it was a resistance and we got rejected, then we pushed through, and now we need to hold this level. So if you're bullish on Tesla, if you're watching it right now, we need to hold this level. So we need to see how the rest of the day plays out. We still got a couple more hours till market closes, so we're doing just fine. Now let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame and see what Tesla has been doing. So this morning we pushed up and then we sold off basically. So we've continued this sell-off, and now we're holding this support line. So we're holding it just fine, but like I said, I don't want us seeing getting below this support. If we get below the support and we close below the support, I think we're probably heading back down to 603 again, and we don't want that to happen. But I was saying, why we need to hold it is notice how it was an important resistance. When we got to this level beforehand, we got rejected, and then we broke through, and now we're holding it from the top side. So if you're bullish on Tesla, you need to see this hold. That's what I'm going to be looking for the rest of the day. I'm going to see how we interact with this level, and do we get some sort of push up. Now, let me move my stop loss up from my previous stop loss. So if I'm in Tesla right now, and you got in, let's say up here, where's your stop loss going to be? My stop loss is going to be right below this support. I'm going to do it right below this wick right here, because after this wick, there's nothing else holding us until we get down to 603. So this is how I structure my trade. I'm going to be watching this level heavily, and if you're in Tesla right now, I would do the same. I would advise you though, if you are in shares, I wouldn't really stop out. So this play and this plan is based off of trading Tesla, and I'm in some option contracts. So I'm going to play it a little different than you. If you're in shares, I honestly wouldn't stop out at all. I just hold this stock. I would hold Tesla all the way through the S&P 5 inclusion date. A lot of y'all have been asking me, hey, do you think I should sell Monday, or do you think I should sell Tuesday? When do you think the sell-off is going to happen? I honestly don't know. The reason why is because in previous times, there hasn't been a stock that's jumped right into the S&P 500 like Tesla has. Normally they join the S&P 400 and then they join the S&P 500. Tesla's a little different, so there's not a lot of data we can go off of Tesla's going to sell off indefinitely after the inclusion. But if you are up a considerable amount, then I'd consider locking in those profits before the S&P 5 inclusion date, because we may get that sell-off and you may get a better dip buy. So if you're up on Tesla right now, maybe consider locking in some shares before the S&P 5 inclusion date. Now the date is December 21st for those of you who don't know. That's on a Monday, so it's getting included on December 21st. Now, whether the sell-off happens on the Monday or the Tuesday is the question. But we do know that this Friday, that's when the indexers are starting to buy in. So we have $75 billion coming into Tesla. $75 billion. That's all buy-side activity. So I do think that we see some type of pop-up. So on Friday, it may be a really green day for us. Keep a look at that, because $75 billion is coming into Tesla. That's a lot of money, and that will move this stock. But as of right now, we're focused on what's happening right now. And that's what we have, is that Tesla has to hold this support area. If we don't hold this support area, then we're heading back down to 603. And we need to hold the support area so we can continue making these higher highs. Now right now, we need to get above this area right here. Then we can continue this uptrend again. So I talked about in my video Sunday that this is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a push up, a retest, and then continue up. So let me draw this out for you. So on Sunday, you can look at my video. I did exactly what this is doing right now. I said we need a push up, retest what we're doing over here, and then push up again. So this is exactly what is going to plan, right? So if this plan wants to hold out, we need to hold this support. If we go below support, this plan is completely out the window. It's no longer the plan, but it's doing exactly what I want to do. It's confirming this support, and as long as we hold this today, guys, then I think we're bullish tomorrow. So keep that in mind when you're taking your trades today. We have to hold this support. If we don't hold this support, everything I'm saying is out the window. It's not going to happen. Anyways, I just wanted to break down Tesla for y'all real quick. Just want to show you my thought process of what's happening, where I think it's going. And if you did enjoy this video and you're a new subscriber, thank you. And if you're a new viewer and you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button if you did enjoy this video. Anyways, guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in the next video.